There is a strange epidemic in modern life. People answer messages while eating, working, resting, even while with the people they love. The moment a notification appears, they react immediately. And then they wonder why they feel taken for granted. The uncomfortable truth is this: the more available you become, the less significant your presence feels. Not because people are cruel, but because human psychology dictates that we do not value what is constantly available. If you've been the first to reply and the last to be respected, you're in the right place. Today, we'll uncover the hidden cost of constant accessibility. But first, you have to understand the psychological mirror that makes your availability invisible. Humans don't judge things by their actual worth. We judge them by their perceived scarcity. Water is essential, yet we barely think about it because it is abundant. The same principle shapes your relationships. When people know they can access you at any moment, your attention becomes expected, not appreciated. You've trained them to expect instant access, so they do. And this doesn't make your value elevated. The irony is that you are available to people because it may be your kindness. You give importance to people. But in return, what do you get? You get less respect, less value. So, how can you make yourself valuable to your circle? The answer lies in controlled access, and it begins with the first psychological tool. Tool 1: the buffer. Suppose you are sitting with an important person, or doing a really important job, but suddenly your phone's message tone rings and you are pulled toward your phone unconsciously, responding to even unimportant people. This is the ugliest mistake you make, which a sane person would never do. When possible, wait 30 minutes before responding to non-urgent messages. This isn't a game, it's a declaration that your time and your energy are important. It would be your kindness to reply timely, but there must be a limit. By replying early, people start assuming that your time and your energy are always available, and no one respects what is always available. This is the bitter truth. But simply delaying your reply isn't enough. You must also master the art of the refusal. Tool 2: the radical no. You need to inject yourself with vitamin N. N stands for no. It will give you the power to reject anything that drains your focus, compromises your integrity, or wastes your potential. Learn to say it. I can tell you that yes has ruined more lives than no ever will. People saying yes to starting businesses they shouldn't. People saying yes to going out when they shouldn't. Most people struggle with explaining their no. They deliver apologies and justifications, and in doing so, they dismantle their own authority. Stop explaining your no. Simply say, "I'm not available right now. I can catch up later." Believe me, you will be more respected because you have finally stopped living for the convenience of others. When you value your own time, the world is forced to do the same. However, protecting your time is only half the battle. What you do with that reclaimed time defines your new reality. Tool 3: the principle of selective depth. For a certain time every day, you do not just disappear, you commit to deep, undivided work. No scrolling, no consumption, no digital noise. Start with 1 hour and start increasing it according to the goal you are working for. When you anchor your day in meaningful output, your aura shifts. You stop being a person who is available to everyone and become someone who is occupied with a purpose. People sense it. You will be respected because your silence now carries more weight than your words ever did. You are no longer watching your life unfold, you are finally commanding it. But be warned, there is a silent danger in protecting this space, a reaction you must be prepared for if you want to survive this change. By now, you fully understand the techniques of the buffer, vitamin N, and the principle of selective depth. These tools will help you significantly increase your value in just 1 week. As you continue to apply them over time, you will grow, ultimately becoming more powerful, efficient, and truly valuable. This is just the beginning of our work in the shadows. There are deeper truths about human nature that most people are too afraid to face, and in our next video, we're going to confront one of them head on. Subscribe to A Writer in the Shadows so you're ready when the next truth is revealed. Before you go, ask yourself, who owns your attention right now? You or everyone else?